JD Cap 26 here. We just do tips, repairs, and hobbies, and we've got the Diggold first aid and camping kit, survival kit. So let's dig into this and open it up. And got a good handle to it, good material. And let's see what's in here. It's got Q-tips. It's got tweezers. Flashlight. It's got gauze. There's gauze in there, 2 of them. Band-aids. And it's got a emergency blanket. And more gauze here. And it's scissors. Let's look at this side. This side it's got antiseptic, antibiotic cream, and this side safety pins. Look at that, it's got a whistle. It's pretty loud. It's got this multi-tool. It's got a multifunctional tool. And it's got a card in there. Tells you what's on the tool. Can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, directional indicator, 2-position wrench, lanyard, hole, key. It's pretty good. So let's put that over here. It's got, oh, this is for fishing. It's got a thing for fishing. Okay. Go fishing with that. And this should go on the other side, actually. This is a piece of rubber, and that's for making a tourniquet. And I'm going to look up on how to do the tourniquet procedure, because you've got to put it around the arm, and then you have to tighten it and to constrict the blood flow, and then let it off so many minutes later. Say if you had a bad cut on the arm, you put it above. So we'll put that on this side with the medical stuff. You might want to look that up on the internet, see what else is in here. Oh, I forgot to show you, it's got some twine. So let's put the twine in here. That's wax twine. You can actually sew with that, with the wax twine. Put this tool back in here. Fishing kit in there. If you have any questions about this kit, or comments, please leave them below. Please be nice to each other when you talk to each other if you comment. And also, I'll leave the link to this kit in the description. It's got this side too, so let's look at this side and open this side up. I don't know what's in here. Oh, paracord. Who doesn't need paracord? Open this up. Oh wow, it's a shovel. Huh. I don't know how it opens up. We gotta loosen it. There we go. Opens up like that. And you tighten it down. Turn it to the right. Nice and tight. I guess this part is the pickaxe part. You can turn it and tighten it down. Tighten it down the other way. So you tighten it down for the shovel part. You shovel and dig up, dig around for your campfire, make a campfire. So that you loosen it like this, and then go like this, and then you push this down like that, and then like that, and it's pulled it back up. So that's good. Great. Good kit for camping, or put in your car actually too. never know when you need it in your car. I have a ready bag in my car already with, like jumper cables and things like that. I think I'll just stick that in there. Matter of fact, that red bag in my car, I have to clean out because there's some stuff in there that I really don't need in there. Just need the important stuff. And this folds right up. It's a bit stuffed, but it's got everything you need, really. You know, go slow with the zipper. You don't want to mess the zipper up. Piece of tape here. So that's the first aid kit and camping survival kit I showed today by Diggold. And I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're enjoying yourself and keeping things safe. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching.